Question 24 is about a moon that orbits the wrong way, and 99% of Earthlings miss it. T-minus 3, 2, 1. Let's go. T-minus 25. Which planet is famous as the red planet? Mars. It is red because the soil is full of rust. An entire planet, slowly rusting. Size check. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. You could pack over 1,300 Earths inside it. Heavyweight champion of the neighborhood. Warm-up question. Which star sits at the center of our solar system? The Sun. Our home star could swallow about 1 million Earths. Respect the Sun. Roll call. How many planets are in our solar system today? Pluto got demoted to dwarf planet in 2006. Still not over it? Neither are we. Vocabulary check. What do we call a natural object orbiting a planet? A moon. Jupiter and Saturn collect them by the dozen. Poor Mercury and Venus have 0. Last easy one. Which planet wears those famous rings? Saturn. Even a cheap backyard telescope shows off those rings. Best value in astronomy. Round 2. It gets weirder from here. And question 24? A moon that orbits backwards. Stick around. Difficulty rising. Which planet orbits closest to the Sun? Mercury. It sprints around the Sun in just 88 days. Birthday parties every 3 months. Careful, it's a trap. Which planet is the hottest? Venus, not Mercury. Its thick atmosphere traps heat at 465 degrees, hot enough to melt lead. Mystery object. What exactly is the Great Red Spot? A monster storm on Jupiter, raging for over 150 years and still wider than our whole planet. Odd one out. Which planet spins completely on its side? Uranus. Tilted 98 degrees, so each pole gets 21 years of non-stop daylight. Imagine that summer. Zooming out, what is the name of our home galaxy? The Milky Way. Over 100 billion stars, and our Sun is just one face in the crowd. Big geology. Olympus Mons, the solar system's largest volcano, sits where? Mars. Olympus Mons towers 2.5 times higher than Everest. Do not hike it. Speed of light check. How long does sunlight take to reach Earth? About 8 minutes. Every sunrise is a broadcast from 8 minutes in the past. Halfway through the mission. What's your score, astronaut? Memorize it. The second half leaves Earth's orbit, and things get seriously weird. Moon tour. Titan, with its methane lakes, orbits which planet? Saturn. Titan even has a thick atmosphere, the only moon in the solar system that does. Ring inspection. What are Saturn's rings mostly made of? Water ice. Hundreds of thousands of kilometers wide, yet in places thinner than a house is tall. Trick question alert. What exactly is a light year? A distance. Light covers about 9.5 trillion kilometers in a year. The year fools everyone. Hard mode. Only space nerds survive now, but the backwards moon is still coming. Hard mode engaged. What is the largest moon in the solar system? Ganymede. Jupiter's giant moon is actually bigger than the planet Mercury. A moon outsizing a planet. Asteroid belt census. What is its largest resident? Ceres. So big it earned dwarf planet status. The only one living in the inner solar system. Weather report. Which planet has the fastest winds anywhere? Neptune. Winds over 2,000 kilometers per hour. Faster than sound. Cancel all picnics. Volcano watch. Which Jupiter moon erupts more than anywhere else? Io. Its volcanoes blast plumes hundreds of kilometers into space. The solar system's angriest moon. Deep space geography. What exactly is the Kuiper belt? A ring of icy worlds beyond Neptune. Pluto lives there with millions of frozen neighbors. Brain bender. On which planet does one day outlast the whole year? Venus. It spins so slowly that a day beats a year, and it rotates backwards too. Final boss. The backwards orbiting moon I promised is right here. Do not blink. Final boss zone. The point of no return around a black hole is called what? The event horizon. Cross it and nothing escapes, not even light. Do not test this. The one from the cold open, backwards orbiting Triton circles which planet? Neptune. Triton was probably kidnapped from the Kuiper belt and still orbits the wrong way in protest. The ultimate final boss. How much of the solar system's mass is the sun? 99.8%. Every planet, moon, and asteroid combined is just the crumbs. Humbling, right? 21 to 25. Polymath Genius. NASA should be calling you. 13 to 20. Scholar Elite. Cleared for launch. 12 or under. Apprentice Learner. Training starts now, cadet. Comment your score. Subscribe and grab a torch. Next time we descend into the tombs of ancient Egypt.